So before we explore further commands and script, further shell script, advanced scripts in Bash, before we delve into those things, let us try to understand what all special characters that we have in Bash, and then what is the purpose of each special character. Let's begin with a pound symbol or hash symbol that many of you guys know. This is commonly used in Python also as a commenting uh, symbol. So even here also we used in our last two exercises for the same thing, to comment a section, then or to write a comment. And the second symbol for us is a dollar symbol. Dollar symbol indicates the name of a variable. So we have done it. If you just want to call a variable, variable's value, you have to attach or precede a dollar symbol with a variable name. So then only you can call variable's value using variable name. Then we have a backward slash. This is escape character to display next character literally, so that we will do it in our further exercises. Okay. Then we have open and closed curly braces. So this one is used to enclose a name of a variable. In another way, we call it as protecting the variable. So protecting the variable. This also we have used in our previous exercise. Then we have a colon command separator. It's mainly a command separator, so it permits putting two or more commands. We have done this exercise in our previous module. We just go through that module once before you come here. Then we have a double colon. A double colon is also called as a terminator. A terminator, that's it. It's used as a terminator. It will terminate the uh, complete scripting shell there at that when you give that double semicolon. Then we have dot command. We also call it as the period, so it is equivalent to the source. Then we have dollar question mark. It's a exit status variable. And then double dollar, it's a process ID variable. Then we have open and close square brackets. So this is a test expression. Anyway, we are going to look into um, arithmetic operations in bash scripting. So in that time, we will be widely using this open and closed square brackets. Double open and close square brackets. This is for test expression. It's more flexible than single open and close square bracket. On other side, if you precede open and close square bracket with a dollar symbol or a double parenthesis, this is mainly for the integer expressions or integer calculations or integer logics. So then we have a double vertical bar and double ampersand and exclamation mark. So double vertical bar is for logical R, and double ampersand is for and, and exclamation mark is for not logic. These are different logics that we use. So these are by and large the major special characters that we use in bash shell. So now let us look into quotation marks. So how these quotation marks help us? So if you put a just quotation mark, what does it mean to the shell? So double quotation will begin with if you enclosed string, if enclosed string is expanded, in that case we use a double quotation. On other side, if you enclose any variable with the double quotation, it literally prints the variable name. That's it. It literally prints the variable name. If it is single quotation, even it prints the dollar. Then if it is back quotation, it's a back quotation. It's not the back tick mark, it's a back quotation. In this case, back quotation is basically used for command substitution that we have seen. It's also called as a back tick. So back quotation or backtick is used for the command substitution. So enclosed string is executed as a command in this case. So example, echo backtick or back quotation and pwd prints the output of the pwd command. That's the print working directory, print present working directory. So in bash you can also use dollar and then parenthesis instead of using this other ones, instead of using pwd, that we have discussed in our previous slide itself. You just go through it once before you come to this slide. So next, after this we'll be looking into um arithmetic operations in bash.